In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use attachments in Smartsheet. We'll walk through creating a simple sheet and attaching files or links to a row so your project details and supporting documents live in one place. First, go to Smartsheet and sign in so you land on the home page. From here, click Start a new project, program, or process. This opens Smartsheet's creation experience where you can pick from templates or begin fresh. You'll see options grouped by role. Choose a template for your role in company management if you'd like a head start with columns and structure tailored to that use case. For this demo, we'll keep it simple and click Start from scratch so we're working with a blank canvas. When prompted, choose a new workspace starting point for now. A workspace helps keep related items organized and makes sharing easier later. Next, select Table. This creates a grid-style sheet that's perfect for lists, tasks, and tracking. Once your table opens, you're ready to attach supporting materials to a specific line item. On the row where you want to store a document, hover to reveal the row actions and look for the paperclip icon. Click the paperclip icon to open the attachments panel for that exact row. Row-level attachments are helpful because they keep documents tied to the precise task or record they support, so teammates always know what belongs where. In the Attachments panel, click Add. You'll be offered two main paths: upload a file or URL. Choose Upload a file if you're adding something from your computer or connected storage, or pick URL if you're attaching a link to a cloud document, a web page, or a shared resource. If you're uploading from your device, you can drag and drop files right into the Drop Your Files Here area. This is great for quickly adding screenshots, PDFs, or spreadsheets. If you prefer a picker, click Browse, select your file, and confirm. Smartsheet will upload the file and list it under the row's attachments so it's immediately visible to collaborators who can access that row. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep file names descriptive so they're easy to recognize at a glance, and attach the most current version to avoid confusion. If your team relies on shared links, make sure link permissions allow collaborators to view the item. Also remember that attachments inherit the sheet's sharing, so only people with access to the sheet or row will see them. And that's it. You created a fresh table, opened the row's attachment panel, clicked Add, and uploaded a file or linked a URL. Now your data and documents are connected and ready for action.